Guys, if you've been looking for a country where you can legally relocate, earn in euros, and build a better future without necessarily having a university degree, then don't sleep on Ireland in 2026. And here's why this is mind-blowing. Thousands of jobs are currently sitting unfilled across Ireland. Employers are actively searching for workers from overseas because they simply cannot find enough local people to fill these positions. Ireland's economy has continued to grow rapidly over the last several years. Major international companies have expanded their operations there. The government has identified multiple occupations where employers struggle to find workers. This shortage affects healthcare, construction, manufacturing, hospitality, transport. That's why work permits remain one of the most practical pathways for foreign workers who want to relocate legally. Many employers are now more open to international recruitment than ever before. Top 5 sectors hiring in Ireland for 2026. Healthcare. Healthcare remains one of Ireland's biggest recruitment priorities. Popular roles include caregiver, nursing assistant, registered nurse. Estimated salary, €28,000 to €55,000 per year. Some healthcare employers also provide relocation support and training opportunities. Construction. Ireland continues to face housing and infrastructure shortages. That means construction workers are in demand. Popular roles include carpenter, electrician, plumber. Estimated salary, €35,000 to €70,000 per year. Skilled trades can earn significantly more with experience. Warehousing and logistics. This sector is perfect for many people without degrees. Popular roles include forklift driver, picker and packer, delivery assistant, logistics coordinator. Estimated salary, €28,000 to €45,000 per year. Hospitality and tourism. Ireland's tourism industry continues to grow. Hotels and restaurants regularly recruit internationally. Popular roles include hotel staff, chef, restaurant worker. Estimated salary, €27,000 to €50,000 per year. Some employers provide accommodation assistance. Manufacturing and food processing. This sector often hires workers from overseas. Popular roles include production operative, factory worker, machine operator, packaging staff. Estimated salary, €30,000 to €50,000 per year. For many applicants, this can be one of the easiest sectors to enter. Step-by-step application. Step 1. Prepare a professional CV. Highlight your skills. Include measurable achievements. Focus on experience that matches the jobs you're targeting. Step 2. Target the right occupations. Don't apply randomly. Focus on sectors experiencing labor shortages. This dramatically improves your chances. Step 3. Search for jobs on official and trusted platforms. 3 important websites to know are JobsIreland.ie, EURES.europa.eu, Enterprise.gov.ie. These platforms regularly publish vacancies and employment information relevant to Ireland. Step 4. Submit applications consistently. Apply strategically and consistently. Many successful migrants submit dozens of quality applications before receiving interviews. Step 5. Attend interviews. Be prepared to explain why you want to work in Ireland. Your work experience. Your skills. Step 6. Receive a job offer and begin the work permit process. Once approved, you can prepare for relocation and begin your new chapter in Ireland. This is exactly how thousands of foreign workers move legally every year. Guys, Ireland could be one of the most underrated relocation destinations in 2026. Strong economy. Labor shortages. Competitive salaries. And opportunities across multiple industries. So here's my question for you. Which country are you watching from? And which sector interests you most? Drop your country and preferred sector in the comments. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future opportunities. Thanks for watching.